run 44 Ks, and it's not over fine leg, it's actually over about first slip and 20 rows back. That's brave, skillful. I think a little bit of stupidity involved there. Definitely some stupidity in that.
I would say a lot, but what a risk to take and pay off for.
Oh, that was glorious. Broad bat of Sachin Tendulkar in the straight drive.
Dhoni this time, my goodness. Wow, I don't know if I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible. This is nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
Oh, skill, talent, amazing. Unbelievable. That's not a reverse sweep.